What's the meaning of contraflow? Contraflow. Contraflow.
Contraflow. Contraflow. Contraflow refers to a traffic management strategy in which vehicles are directed to travel in the opposite direction of their normal flow on certain roads or lanes. This is typically implemented during emergencies such as natural disasters or mass evacuations. The purpose of contraflow is to facilitate the movement of large volumes of vehicles away from danger zones or towards areas where emergency services are available. By allowing traffic to flow in both directions on otherwise one-way roadways, the capacity of the affected network can be significantly increased, reducing congestion and improving the overall efficiency of the evacuation process.